Right, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can create a Turnitin account without a class ID. So first thing you gotta know that you cannot directly create a normal student Turnitin account without a class ID. So there are a few options that you could do. First one, that you could just log in and use an instructor account. You can just simply go to this login section and you can just choose instructor, and then you gotta fill in your detail, and you have to use an institutional email if possible, and then submit the request, and then you gotta wait for the approval. Once this is approved, you can create your own class and generate a class ID and then check documents, though approval is not guaranteed. Now the second option is that you can use Turnitin Draft Coach. It's the easiest for students. What you can do is just open up Microsoft Word, or online or desktop, doesn't matter, and you can go to add-ins and search Turnitin Drafts Coach and install it, and then just simply sign in with school email if required. And you just gotta check similarities, citations, and grammar. Now a third option is just ask your teacher or institution. You can just ask your teacher for the class ID plus enrollment key, and then you can directly join uh, a student account. But obviously, if you're not, we're doing this without class ID. So the last option is just using alternatives like Grammarly, QText, Small CEO Tools, and Scribber. They're not Turnitin, but they're useful for practice. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.